Hi guys, good morning. We need to go outside guys. Going somewhere there because the electric company is here. Ayan guys. Nag-change sila ng electric meter right there. Ayan. Here guys, and Synomus complex. We update our social security guys. Looking the over guys. Dito 1 minute away. And then they're renewing our state ID guys. We're here in the MB. Here in the MB guys. Then renewing na eh. I forgot to bring my eyeglasses. Very hot guys. Weather's up. Glad I put sunblock protection to the face. Sunblock. Moving around guys. Looking ligard. Looking what is called the sun miglight. No more sun miglight here. This Walmart is look like small Walmart. The bigger Walmart is the Garden City. More men working right there. Glad is done na guys. Lot of accomplished today. Yay. My ACs is my state ID registered to vote. Done. My husband renewal her state ID. Okay. My eyes is not good because they're sunny. Weather's so very sunny. We are in Walmart guys. Lot of juice right here. Hawaiian Punch. Grapes. Apple. Lot of snack. Chips. Lot of chip right here. Packaging of that chip here guys, so big. Big packets. This one guy, we always sending this in the balikbayan boxes guy. Dinis butter focus. We bought me only $1.99 in Ali store, but here $4.86. So expensive. Look of seasonal hair guys. You can buy your drink right here guys outside. Pepsi Cola. Coca-Cola. We are not at the house, guys, and still not done. The people working over there still not done right there. Still not done. Sit down over here, guys. The weather here is so nice. Windy. Here in the porch. Dirty na kayo. Ninisin ko pala ito. Still not done, guys, changing the meter of the electricity. We start like 8 until now, still not done. 1 o'clock na. Good thing our neighbor have what is called that? Generator. You heard the noise, guys. We have generator. I don't know over there, guys. But it's still not power on. Very windy, guys. So windy outside. Still waiting the power. So windy, guys. My flower is dancing. So very windy. Or 30 na go. The worker is asleep and the power still no power. My husband walking going to the office. Why still no power? Ang aking gabi gayo. Gunahan ko to. I don't know, this the sunflower so very small. Like that gayo. This sunflower. But too small. This is different kind of sunflower. Like 4:30 na guys. The power's not come back. My neighbor generator is still running. So big one flower today. He's so happy. What is this guy? Like 4:45 na now, still not done. The worker is late. And look at that guy. Still not covered. Glad the power is come back, guys. Look like 5:40. Oh my goodness, too very hot inside the house, guys. Glad it's come back because my husband told if the power not come back today, tonight, we need to spend in the hotel, guys. Bye, guys.